We are glad to welcome you on the Hard Reset YouTube channel, and in this video I will show how you can put a song on repeat on Apple Music on iPhone. So first you will need to start playing the song that you would like to loop, obviously. Let's say I'll go with this song for example. Then open its playback. Then open the queue or play next interface. Find this icon here, the loop icon, tap on it twice, or well, just tap on it until it will have the following design. So it will be white, the icon will find itself in the white square and the digit 1 appearing at the top right corner of it, which means that the currently playing song is put on the loop. So it will be repeated endlessly, as you will see now. So it stopped playing and it began playing again. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.